we're here for the interview.
Aiden.
Wait, I thought this was tomorrow.
No, it's today.
Crap.
Hi, welcome to Mr. Industries. I'm Jeff.
And I made it.
And we're electrical engineers from CU Boulder and the Colorado School of Mines.
So we noticed that there's a significant skill gap between college and getting your first job.
And a lot of the electronics that are offered online by Arduino or the other guys just really don't cut it.
So we decided to make our own microcontroller that teaches the basics of embedded hardware.
And we call it
the tinyCore.
Has a wide range of fantastic abilities.
They're pretty standard.
Including built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPIO.
Yeah, that's how an ESP32 works.
And a built-in SD card.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
It also sports a 6 degree of freedom IMU for integrated motion tracking.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Get out of my commercial, Aiden. And it even supports artificial intelligence.
tinyCore.
It was designed from the ground up by students and young professionals for students and young professionals.
tinyCore.
The microcontroller of the future.
Well, actually, it's available right now.
I swear to God! We've got lots of plans moving forward, but we aren't going to reveal them just yet.
Because we haven't built them all.
Shut up. But we will keep you posted as progress continues.
If you want to improve your electrical engineering skills, join our Discord. All relevant links are below.
We're very interested in getting your feedback, hearing what we did right, and maybe what we did wrong.
We hope to see you there. This has been Mr. Industries. Over and out.